Mr. Fortunate just hit another lick again. I said I never trick again. The lie just didn't stick again. I booked it at the Ritz again. I chose the one with tits again. I bet my last on what I couldn't see to watch it flip again.
Alright, not gonna lie, the car's been great. I guess this is the start of a new episode. Homies S52 Swap E46. Pretty cool, pretty mint looking. I really like the way this 240 looks. It's pretty much bone stock for the most part, but cool little gym set I got on my job, you know, little shit like that. So this is an early morning video. I was approached and asked if I wanted to grab this for a pretty decent price. There's a lot wrong with it. The interior looks pretty fucking mint though. Let's see the first problem. Why is the toe so out on this one? Like, look at that. Like, I don't think you can see it. Okay, there you go. That bitch is fucked. That side's poking out hella hard. This tire is completely bald. I wonder why. Fully rusted. Brakes kind of rusted. Jeez. He says that it doesn't cut on. The alignment's out of whack. Judging by the toe in the back, I can understand why. I don't know, guys. Chain probably has to be replaced. Would be cool. I'll think about it. Oh my God. I know where the small leak at. It's in my little air boot, I'm pretty sure. God damn. Alright. I'm gonna go talk to one of the main techs at my job and
Y'all ready? CEO Trill, hold on.
Hey, bitch, do your mouth work? Do your soul search? Do you take perks? Do you really think I need a fucking Drake verse? Run in front of police, then he read the plate first. One of my homies crossed my homie.
Okay. Well, the car made it to the car meet. I found another 330. It's a classic car show going on right now, to be completely honest. This is crazy. So I guess I'm gonna walk around and show y'all some of the vehicles. Just a quick car show. That's a view. Holy shit, the candy paint. This thing is crazy. The steering wheel. Oh yeah. Nice wheel setup. S2000 on some axle wheels. I can't be mad at it. Hey, when your car is worth a lot of money, I ain't even gonna be mad. Got the tan seats. They look good. It look good. Give you a walk by. Alright, what's going on with this? Hold up. 05 C4. He doesn't say a price. It's for sale though. It's in pretty good condition. It looks clean. It got the Hell Rot red. Can't complain. How you doing? This Integra is in really good condition, guys. Real good condition.
In the truck.
All right. Bro, this car is fucking tiny, bro. How are you supposed to sit in there? Look at the windshield. What the fuck is that? EGR delete? This is crazy. That's hard. That's hard. So it's the next day from the car meet, maybe like a few days after that. I work on Saturdays, so usually it's empty when I work. These days, car's been pretty good to me. It ran a little low on oil and I heard it, so I refilled it up. This oil change ain't for like another 2 weeks, so hopefully it could, you know, BMW stuff, it's gonna leak or burn, whatever it wanna do. As far as the update goes on this car, I wanna weld the diff, but as you can see, it's fucking pouring outside. That's some of the stuff I'm worried about when I do get to this point. And the drift build is driving during the rain, so I don't know, maybe buy a truck, maybe buy another Honda Civic of some sort, maybe a hatchback or a CRX type this time, since I'm probably going to keep it forever because Hondas are getting expensive to build, blah, 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 blah. So, what's next? Probably a welded diff soon because it needs it. I mean, I could do some open diff sliding, but the DSC completely off traction and stability. So, yeah, other than that, maybe more wheels. Probably go do something with this front bumper because people have been saying like that bitch been looking beat up, and it is beat up. Came to me beat up, so I'll probably throw on an aftermarket bumper or something down the line, get some skirts. But first body upgrade I want to really get is a spoiler, to be completely honest with y'all. Is a spoiler. Spoiler will look nice on here. I mean, it already got kind of like a slant look, but you can't go wrong with an actual spoiler on this bitch, so. Alright, so this is a brake flush machine. A BG brake flush machine. I don't know if any of y'all know about that or anything like that. But my oil, not oil, but brake fluid, dot fluid, is fucking darker than sin. It's fucking brown, pretty much. So, what I'm about to do is give it the old hot tool with this machine. And, oh yeah. Yeah, all that bitch. All that bitch. See how dark it is, man? Yeah, all of it. All of it. Look pretty empty to me. Oh, it's refilling. I dabbed that up because it's looking fucking disgusting. This is how my rotor's looking at the moment. Kind of worn, not really, to be honest with you, but it'll be alright. I'll put something new on there in a little while. Brake pads are in decent condition. You know, Max Pete and Ross, if y'all want to send me some shit, y'all know y'all can always feel free to send me some shit. Just shoot me an email. Yeah, customer came in about a tire, so I have to get on this first. But it's okay, at least it's an M. Alright, I got it pretty situated. I'm gonna hit a little bit more. That's as good as it's gonna look. I didn't go too crazy on this, it's just a pad, so plant it. Just quit that stuff, nothing crazy. If I wanted it, it'd be brand new, I'll buy new rotors, so. So, Jesus Christ. Car came out good. It's doing what I do best. Handbrake job was semi-success. I just got to figure out a way to keep the button open when I want to use it for drifting versus when I actually want to use it for a handbrake. Yeah. Other than that, I'm about to give it a little bit more of a scroll. Shit, what's next? So I already told y'all that I want to weld the diff next, and then I want to do like some aero on the car and get it right. So, you know, it's your boy Chris Shaffer. I'm gonna catch you on the next one, and